In the latest update of Gmail's interface, Google has introduced some of the game-changing features. And one of these features is Gmail's confidential mode. With Gmail's confidential mode, you can send an email with an expiry date. And at that particular time, this email will self-destruct itself. So this is a good way to prevent your sensitive information from sitting in someone's inbox for a longer period of time. In addition to that, the recipient of the email will not be able to forward that email or print that email. However, this method is not 100% foolproof. So in this video, we will learn how to use Gmail's confidential mode. So let me show you how this confidential mode of Gmail works. So when you compose any email, if you look at the bottom, there is a lock icon. So if you click on this lock icon, then you will see the dialog box of this confidential mode. And here you can set the expiry period. So there are a few options. So from 1 day up to 5 years. So you can set any of these expiry. And there is another extra feature here that if you want an extra layer of security, you can ask the recipient to enter the passcode. So I just want to demonstrate this to you. Otherwise, this is not essential in most cases. But let us say that we require this extra safety feature here, and I press save here. I just put my own email address, one of my own email address here. And when I send this email, as you can say that if I send this email, it will ask me to put the phone number, and make sure that you put the phone number of the recipient. So I just put a dummy phone number, but I will show you how it works. And then you hit send. Now I will show you what happens when I receive this message. So this is the message which I got on my phone. As you can say that it says that this person has sent you an email and you will require a passcode. Now if I open this email, as you can see that it says verify identity. Now I will say send the passcode. So I press send passcode. And now this is the passcode I received, 710803. So I'll put this here. So once you submit, now you can see the email, and this is the email, and on this you can also see that this content expires on this date. So this is how this passcode thing works. So if you want to put an extra security, you can use this passcode. Otherwise, you can just put the expiry period and the email will expire at that time. And one more thing I would like to highlight, that if I go to my sent folder, and this is the email which is sent using the confidential mode. So if I click on this, so here is the link here to remove access. So even if the expiry date has not reached, but you can still remove the access of this email. So if you want to remove earlier access, you can just click this remove access and recipient will not be able to open your email. Although this mode does not allow any forwarding of the email or any printing of the email, but this method is not 100% foolproof, because for example, a recipient can take the screenshot of your email and it can be sent as an image to anybody. But still, it's a very useful feature. In the long run, your messages will not be sitting here and there in other people's inboxes. So this was a brief introduction of how the confidential mode of Gmail works. If you like this video, so please give it a thumbs up. So if you are interested in Google products, so please subscribe to my channel, and I will be uploading a lot of videos. So hit the bell icon so you can get the notification whenever I post a new video. See you next time.